Thank you, PS. The report is about a helicopter accident on Sunday, which occurred after a successful groundbreaking ceremony for residential stands and the Monotapa Day celebrations, which was attended by His Excellency the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, as the guest of honor. The President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, was accompanied by Her Excellency the First Lady, Dr. Kusilia Mnangagwa, the Honorable Vice President, Comrade K.C.D. Mohadi, the ZANU-PF National Chairman and Minister of Defense, Comrade OCZ Mchinguri Kashiri, as well as other senior government and party officials. The helicopter was supposed to fly the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, but experienced a technical fault and crash landed. The President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, was not on board. The helicopter had crew members only on board, and there were no fatalities. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe is carrying out investigations, and a statement will be issued at the appropriate time. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Honorable Minister. If you want to ask questions, they have to be strictly on what has been said. If you have no questions, I think the statement speaks for itself. Then, thank you very much. Then those who have asked us for a presentation in Shona for their radios and other broadcasts, the Honorable Minister will do a summary of today's post-cabinet briefing in Shona for those who need it. We are talking of Radio Zim. I think you are here. Yeah, there they are. And I know Studio 7. If they are here, they always love Shona. Okay? Are you ready? Honorable Minister? So you've got 2 minutes.